When I was a kid, and you know, you used to get cotton socks. How many of you are old enough to remember cotton socks? And you bought them by size. You didn't just have these one size fits all socks. And the way that my mom figured out what size sock is she actually wrapped the sock around our fist and then let it overlap a little bit and said, okay, that's the size sock you get. And there were 10 kids in my family. So it was from little kids all the way to bigger kids. And that's how she decided when we went to the store, she wrapped a sock around our fist. So that means that your fist measurement, the distance around your fist,
10 inches.
is close to the length of your foot. Now let's see what it looks like. We didn't say exact, we said close. And also, anytime you're doing statistics, it's on average. So if we averaged all of these fist measurements and averaged all these foot lengths, but let's see who really fit that. We have 10 and a half and 10, that's really close. 8 and 9's pretty close, 9 and 10 is pretty close. 12 and 10 and a quarter. 11, 10 and a quarter. There's a lot of different measurements about our bodies that turn out to be the same. And that's the reason that forensic scientists, people who do skeletons, and when they find skeletons, they're able to figure out the height. It's because the length of our bones has something to do with their height and stuff like that. Well, your height and your arm span is another measurement that should be fairly close, okay, on average. So not everybody will be equal. Did we have anybody in this group that their height and arm span was exactly the same? So we have 61 plus 6 3/4.